What's up guys, Phil here from Furious Technology. I have been a big fan of glass screen protectors. As you can see, my iPhone XS Max has a very nice glass screen protector on it. But there is something that is new, revolutionary, amazing technology that I really love. It is now a curved full screen glass screen protector. So this is an edge to edge one, meaning that there's no missing edges. As you can see on my glass screen protector that is currently on my phone, it doesn't cover fully edge to edge. This one does, and I'm gonna show you how to install it. First things first, let's pull off my old glass screen protector that is on my iPhone right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and install my new screen protector. First off, let's clean my phone off here. So I've got my nice little cloth wipe that was included with my glass screen protector, and I'm going to link a bunch of these curved glass screen protectors in the description box below, depending on the phone that you have. So if you want to get one for yourself, you can. And these ones I've seen on a friend's phone, and they're absolutely amazing. I had to have myself one, so let's go ahead and put this one on. So I'm going to clean my screen off nicely. Now that my phone is nicely wiped down, I'm gonna use this little aligner tool right here that's included with my screen protector. I'm gonna place it right over top of my phone. I'm gonna actually turn my phone around so you guys can see nice and easily. And I'm gonna grab my screen protector. I'm gonna pull this little tab piece off right here. And I'm gonna use the aligner tool. So if we just place it right here and just align it perfectly within that aligner tool. There we go, it's gonna place down nicely. Now I'm just gonna kind of let the screen protector do its thing. It kind of bubbles right out. So you can see all the bubbles kind of moving out. And I'm just gonna press it a little bit. And there we go, okay, so it looks like it's pretty good. So I'm gonna grab this piece, pull it right off, and then I'm going to just kind of press any sort of pieces out here. We'll unlock it here so you guys can kind of see. And we're just gonna press any bubbles that we have out. I know, I'm pressing apps here. We'll lock it down so you guys don't really see that. There we go. So we just press all those out and look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Everything looks fantastic. I'm gonna actually just unlock it here so you guys can see. Everything just looks perfect. I'll lock it down. There we go. Perfect glass screen protector, edge to edge. You can see my little girlies there in the background, but wow, this screen protector, it just feels nice. It's just totally edge to edge protection. And a lot of you guys are asking, well, how does it work with a case? Let's go ahead and grab a case and put my case on and see how it looks with the case. I know, it seems like every video I switch my case up, guys. I'm obsessed with cases. This is my current case. Let's go ahead and put my phone right into the case right here. Perfect. And as you can see, just absolutely perfectly edge to edge screen protector. These are just by far superior to any other screen protector that I've ever used. I love the edge to edge technology. Doesn't interfere with any cases, perfectly covers your phone. Your phone is just fully protected. These are by far the best screen protectors on the market. I've been obsessed with glass screen protectors from before, but now the edge to edge ones have just taken it up one extra level. If you guys want to check out these screen protectors, you want to purchase one for yourself, I will link a bunch of the different options down below depending on the phone that you have. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.